Grade 5, Subject English Grammar, Topic Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Tell me what you see. Adjectives. An adjective describes and modifies nouns and pronouns in a sentence. For example, sentence 1, she is a beautiful girl. Sentence 2, my umbrella is black in color. In sentence 1, beautiful is an adjective, and in sentence 2, black is an adjective. Adjectives are describing words. They describe how many, what kind, size, shape, color, origin, material or thing of the noun. Here we have three different sizes of dogs. Now you compare their sizes with each other and frame sentences. Three forms of adjective. A comparison can be made using the three forms of the adjective. Adjectives are of three degrees. As we have learnt in earlier classes, adjectives are the words that qualify a noun or a pronoun. For example, Shimla is a beautiful place. Shimla is more beautiful than Matheran. Shimla is the most beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh. All the three sentences above are talking about the quality of a place, but the degree of the same quality spoken about is different in the three sentences. So, we can say that an adjective has three degrees or three forms. Degrees of comparison. We have three forms of adjectives. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. Positive. In that first point, we use positive degree when we describe or refer a noun without making any comparison. Second point, when we compare two objects, persons, or places using positive degree, we say that the degree of quality being spoken about is the same in both the objects. For example, Ritu is as smart as Rahul. My pen is as expensive as yours. Comparative degree. In that first point, the comparative degree of an adjective in comparison indicates the existence of a higher degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when two things or two sets of things are being compared. For example, mangoes are sweeter than grapes. Second point, we use then when we want to compare one thing with another and we add er to the adjective. Superlative. First point, the superlative degree indicates the existence of the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than two things are compared. For example, this is the tallest building. Mango is the sweetest fruit. Second point, we use the with a superlative and we add est to the adjective. Comparatives. How do we form comparative statements? Study the grammar reference chart below. Point number 1. Adjectives with one syllable. Add er or r plus than. Example 1. Cold, colder than. In Canada, winter is colder than summer. Example 2. Nice, nicer than. Chocolate ice cream is nicer than strawberry ice cream. Point number 2. Adjectives with two or more syllables add more plus than. Example 1. Boring. More boring than. I think golf is more boring than baseball. Example 2. Expensive. More expensive than. This restaurant is more expensive than that restaurant. Point number 3. Adjectives with two syllables that end in y change y to I and add er plus than. Example 1. Early, earlier than. He arrived at school earlier than I did. Example 2. Happy, happier than. John looks happier than David. Point number 4. Adjectives that end with a single vowel and a consonant double the final letter before adding than. Example 1. Big, bigger than. Russia is bigger than Canada. Example 2. Hot, hotter than. In my country, August is hotter than January. Note: when a comparative statement is used to answer a question, it is not necessary to use then if only one person, place or thing is mentioned. Example: which month is hotter, January or August? August is hotter. We have irregular comparative adjectives: good, better than, bad, worse than, far, farther than, or further than. Superlatives. How do we form superlative statements? Study the grammar reference chart below. Point number 1. Adjectives with one syllable add est or st. Example 1. Cold, the coldest. January is often the coldest winter month. Example 2. Nice, the nicest. She is the nicest person I know. Point number 2. Adjectives with two or more syllables add the plus most. Example 1. Boring. The most boring is the most boring movie at the cinema. Example 2. Expensive. The most expensive. We ate at the most expensive restaurant in town. Point number 3. Adjectives with two syllables that end in y change y to I and add the. Example 1. Early, the earliest. He was the earliest person to arrive. Example 2. Happy, the happiest. It was the happiest time of my life. Point number 4. Adjectives that end with a vowel and a consonant double the final letter before adding the plus est. Example 1. Big, the biggest. Russia is the biggest country in the world. Example 2. Hot, the hottest. August is usually the hottest summer month. Point number 5. Adjectives that are irregular. Good, the best. She is the best student in our class. Bad, the worst. It was the worst storm in many years. Far, the farthest. He lives the farthest or furthest from my home. Degrees of comparison. Now form comparative and superlative adjectives. Here we have three forms of adjectives: positive, comparative, superlative. Now let's practice. Put the correct form of an adjective in the sentence.